The fifth insight is that all study types play a role in evaluation, and therefore they all contribute to building that collective, and they contribute in different ways. So I took here an element from human medicine where the term efficacy defines the expected effects of any intervention under ideal or control conditions, and the term effectiveness defines the expected effects, but under commercial real-world conditions. Usually the example or analogy that I use that is pretty fresh in all our minds is the COVID vaccine. Laboratories developed the COVID vaccine. They tested efficacy in laboratory conditions, but the true effectiveness of the vaccine wasn't really observed until the vaccine was deployed in real populations with all the dynamics that occur in those real populations. We have the same thing here. So now we have a simplified inverted pyramid, which basically says that randomized controlled trials are the keystone for any body of evidence because they provide the evidence basis for efficacy, and they also help define conditions of use. Laboratory studies are useful screening tools and also mechanistic tools to understand how the reduction works, and commercial field trials are the ones that provide the measure of effectiveness that is relatable on the expected response under commercial conditions. Finally, all of this information can be synthesized into meta-analyses that brings all of that information together. It's important, however, to understand that a meta-analysis conducted up here with weak elements down here is going to reflect the elements right here. So depending on the strength of the elements, the randomized control trials, the lab studies, and the commercial field trials, it's what the meta-analysis is going to contribute.